All right, this is the Unit 6 post-test. Make sure that you have your name and Unit 6 at the top, number 1 through 12, and then you guys can go back and redo or re-listen to this video as many times as you need in order to complete the test. Okay, so number 1 is the word approach. The tiger approached his prey quietly. Number 2, coastal. The road was considered coastal because it was along the ocean. Number 3, committee. Our neighborhood watch committee met to discuss vandalism. Number 4, contain. Foods that contain a lot of fat can be unhealthy. Number 5, essay. A good essay should have introductory and closing paragraphs. Number 6, explain. If you don't understand the assignment, ask someone to explain it. Number 7, freedom. The United States military protects our nation's freedom. Number 8, increase. Walking is one way to increase your physical activity. Number 9, leadership. The Boy Scout completed a project to earn his leadership badge. Number 10, payment. Make your payment on time or you will be charged a fee. Number 11, season. The Major League Baseball season lasts for 6 months. And then number 12, weekend. Many businesses will be closed on the holiday weekend. Okay, that's the test. If you need to rewind and replay, that's totally fine. Just make sure that you turn your test, a picture of it, into the unit, what unit is this? 6 post-test.